Your digestive tract is currently being described by marketers as a pipes and plumbing disaster zone that needs a deep scrub. This whole idea of gut biofilm is the latest buzzword designed to make you feel like your insides are coated in stubborn, harmful plaque. It is a clever pitch. It sounds scientific enough to be true, but simple enough for a 30-second social media ad. I spent my entire weekend looking into Nuora Gut Ritual because I simply could not ignore the 12,000 reviews popping up in my feed. That number is staggering. It creates this instant sense of trust. If that many people are seeing results, surely there must be something to it, right? Well, let's peel back the curtain a bit. When you look at the actual bottle, you see ingredients that are surprisingly legitimate. Berberine is the heavy hitter in this formula. This isn't some mystery herb found in a remote jungle. It is a well-studied compound known for its impact on blood sugar and metabolic health. It genuinely helps balance gut bacteria and can lead to a significant reduction in water retention. That explains why so many users report feeling less bloated within just a few days. Then you have bromelain, which comes from pineapples and helps break down proteins. They also threw in black pepper extract to make sure your body actually absorbs what you are swallowing. These are solid components. However, the story the company tells about how they work is where things get a bit shaky. They want you to believe that bromelain acts like a biological power washer for that biofilm barrier. In reality, the research on this specific clearing mechanism is very thin. You are likely just seeing the standard benefits of berberine, not some revolutionary new science. What really bothers me is the marketing language. They are using phrases that mimic the hype around those new, high-end weight loss medications. This creates expectations that a supplement simply cannot meet. It is a classic move to make a $49 bottle feel like a medical steal. But here is the kicker. You can find high-quality berberine as a standalone supplement for a fraction of that price. You are essentially paying a massive premium for the branding and a catchy story about biofilm. Then there is the logistical side of the business, which looks a bit messy. I checked multiple review platforms and the same stories keep surfacing. People are getting hit with surprise charges. They struggle to reach customer support. Canceling a subscription feels like a part-time job. A 3.9 rating on independent review sites is a warning sign when the company claims to have 12,000 five-star reviews on their own site. That discrepancy is hard to ignore. It suggests the numbers might be inflated to create a false sense of security. If you are desperate to fix your bloating, these ingredients might actually help you. But you do not need to sign up for a potentially frustrating subscription to get them. You can be a smarter shopper. If you decide to go through with it, keep every single receipt. Screenshot your cancellation confirmation. The science behind the ingredients is mostly there, but the business practices and the marketing fairy tales are definitely cause for concern. You deserve to know exactly what you are paying for before you hand over your credit card details to a company that seems more focused on viral growth than customer service. It is a fascinating look at how a little bit of real science can be used to sell a whole lot of hype.